here at the Grand Muthu Cayo Guillermo Resort, and I'm just going to show you, this is the pathway to the beach, and then the other direction will be the pool. And I am staying in room 7117, and this is our building, and we are in an ocean view balcony room, and I'm just going to take you for a tour. Okay, so this is a Grand Muthu Cayo Guillermo in Cuba ocean view room. So I'm just going to take you for a quick tour. So you have your bathroom here, pretty standard. Get a nice big shower, and then you have the sink area and a big mirror. Hello! And you do get a hairdryer. Alright, so you can come out here, you get a nice big closet that you can hang your clothes in, and there's a safe. And then you have a nice big mirror. Alright, so now this is the actual room. So you get a table for your luggage or whatnot. And then we got 2 beds, 2 nightstands, lamps, and then a table, and there is a fridge inside there. All right, but now we're going to show you the best part, the part you've been waiting for, the view.